The next generation Nissan X-Trail will be offered with the firm's innovative new e-Power powertrain technology when it arrives in Europe in summer 2022. Shown in full for the first time at Shanghai, the brand's largest SUV once again shares the bulk of its exterior and interior design with the US market Rogue, which it has followed onto a heavily updated version of the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi Alliance's CMF-C crossover platform as used by the Qashqai. The e-Power system differs from a conventional hybrid powertrain wherein the petrol engine is used exclusively to charge a battery. The battery, in turn, powers an electric motor connected to the front axle. The 2022 X-Trail has been given a thorough makeover with a larger, more boxy look than the current car. Side on, it's not too dissimilar to the Toyota RAV4. At the front, a large grille sits between an angular pair of LED headlights and gets a bold new look with the daytime running lights and indicators separated from the main headlight unit. To the back, you'll find an all-new bumper design which gives the X-Trail more of an off-road appeal courtesy of a large skid plate. If you have had a look at the new Qashqai, then you'll be very familiar with the interior design of the X-Trail. It gets the same 12-inch driver display while most trims will feature a central 11-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Families will be happy to hear that you can still spec the X-Trail as a 7-seater, making it an ideal Qashqai alternative if you regularly carry more than 4 passengers. The hybrid powertrain, known as e-Power, is a system based around a petrol engine that acts as a generator for a battery that powers an electric motor. Its 1.5-liter turbocharged engine charges a compact battery which drives the electric motor to produce a total of 184 brake horsepower and 330 Newton meters of torque. The setup ensures emissions are lowered and fuel consumption is increased. Nissan says the setup offers the feeling of driving an electric car.